Okay, stay tuned if y'all want to see how I turn this gold table, this silver table, I'm sorry, to gold. Okay, gang, today I'm just gonna show y'all how to turn. I kind of already started to turn my silver table legs. I got it to gold. Thank you very much. I'm using Krylon Premium Metallic Color 18 karat gold. And let's go. Let me zoom in. Can I zoom in? And boom. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. I think I'm gonna do like 1.5. If you're gonna keep interrupting and talking, 1.5, okay? Because you know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna have to do maybe 3 or 4 layers, and I hope this wind can is enough and let the wind blow, because it's picking up my spray, huh? That's cool to me.
Yeah, me too.
You like that?
You made it?
Yeah.
All by yourself?
No, I bought this.
I was playing like that.
Dang, come on with me. Okay, gang, so I did get me a new table set, ordered me more chairs,
Keep watching.
and it's blowing this way. Let me spray this side. Where you going?
This came out and let's move it.
Y'all excuse my fit. I put on something that I didn't care about. You know, paint on.
Say,
The wind keep picking it up. I got a glass table, glass round table. So I'll sit on here. I got chairs, and the legs on them are gold. It's windy. You see how the wind blew my legs?
yeah.
Yeah, I need to get up under here. This first color ain't got to be just super duper perfect, because I am gonna coat it another 2 or 3 times.
Beautiful.
Thank you. And then I can tell on camera what's silver better than I can in person. Like that leg right here. Just in case somebody drop a spoon or something, be like, wait a minute. Let me miss this part.
Like rappers.
If you get on it.
I like it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So cute.
And this leg over here.
You go visit in the house.
Okay. I'm gonna consider that one coat. Let's zoom a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, you can see like that leg right there
I can never see the chocolate.
and the inside of it. Well, yeah, we just coat one. We're gonna keep it going. Start my second coat. It only take like 15 seconds to dry, and then it's windy, so it might not even take that.
In the house.
Why am I at a brick? We're gonna let the wind do its thing. Nature take its course.
Wait.
Oh, can y'all see my toes in that?
No. No, I don't see your toes.
Yeah, I just took my paint off. Don't do that if you did see my toes. And beers.
Okay.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
see your toes.
You see my toes? You can see my toes? In there?
Yeah.
You see my polish?
Yeah. Now look.
No, set it there.
Oh, you can't paint my face.
What do you better get back?
The same face. Now say something.
Say something.
Yeah.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Just say something better than that. That was beautiful. Like super, super beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
Mama, have you run out of spray? Did you? No. You almost got to run out of spray.
Get off that door. As long as this top view though is
You need to get out them though.
yes.
Only know this though.
Everything is covered. It's just being that the second coat is on. That first coat is looking good one. Chill.
I was like, can I reach that? I'm gonna get the tape back and go. I wonder where this
Y'all better quit playing.
is. Whoa, who keep playing?
People.
That, you mean the wind?
Mm-hmm.
You mean the wind, people?
Yeah. This right here needs to be sprayed again. Get into it. The silver was cool. But
No spray?
my table is gonna be go, you guys. Cute, look like it came that way, huh? I know. Definitely look nice. Quality paint is good. It ain't. Okay, I zoomed right in on it. But it ain't no splotches and splitches and stuff. Yes, look at that pole. Woo! Get into it. Get into it. Alright, stay tuned.